Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hull Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Got a legendary bike for you today. This is the first one of these we've had for a while now. This is the 1991 Suzuki DR800S, otherwise known as Dr. Big. Great looking bike, bit iconic, certainly collectible in this day and age. So but yeah, before we have a full look round it, let's just throw some numbers at you. So like I say, it's a 1991 DR800S, otherwise known as the Dr. Big. Currently showing 20,308 miles on the clock. Just a nice original example, to be fair. I've got a few invoices for some money spent a couple of years ago on things like brake calipers and stuff. I'll get to that in a minute. But yeah, let's just have a quick scoot around this bike. But yeah, it's fairly original. It's got a couple of marks on it, but I think most of these have. So we'll just do a kind of there's a bit of a tarnishing just there on this rear swing arm. But yeah, I'll just point out anything anything untoward on this bike. Seats in nice condition, nice and clean. Most of the bodywork is pretty good. There's a couple of scuffs in certain areas, as you'd expect with a vintage trail bike, I think we can certainly call it. But yeah, certainly quite sought after and collectible now, these big old traily bikes. Yeah, there's a bit of a mark just there down this side here. Looks like it's been into something, a hedge or something like that. Someone's been actually using it for what it was built for. But no, what a nice clean, overall a nice clean example. Starts and runs sweet and up. I'll do a start up for you in a minute. And again, a little bit of tarnishing on this rear swing arm on this side as well. So, I've classed it as ride or restore kind of thing, or just collect if you want. But yeah, that's overall a nice clean bike. And like I say, it's the first one of these we've had in ages. Don't come around too often these days. These, like I say, quite sought after. So, paperwork wise, like I say, I've got quite a few invoices for all kinds of things. Predominantly done in 2021. Master cylinder, calipers, pistons, that kind of thing. Quite a few things going on there. So looks like it had a bit of restoration work. And looking at that rear caliper there, that doesn't look that old. So yeah, it looks like it had a bit of work done in 2021. Looking at that. So let's just have a quick cheeky start up for you. And of course I've got to put you down because I can't pull the clutch in and hold the camera, folks. So let me try and balance you there for a split second. There we go. Just caught it. Nice clean bike that, folks. Nice clean bike. Yeah, so apologies there. The seat was a bit slippy. I couldn't get the camera to sit still while I started that, but never mind. So yeah, we can offer nationwide delivery on this vehicle. We can certainly look at finance on this vehicle as well. We will supply it with a full MOT. It will go through the workshop for a check over prior to coming out as well. If you want to know how much this bike is, there is a description below where you'll find a price and also a link to the website where you'll find a load of photos in high definition, and you can have a bit of a zoom in at your leisure, folks. Okay, if you want to ask any questions on this bike, you can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishullmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you do fancy coming down and having a look at this bike in person, more than welcome. Kettle's usually on. If you're travelling, always call ahead to make sure the bike is in stock and available for viewing. Other than that, guys, this one's going to be a short one. And don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate that support, guys. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you all very soon. Cheers.